Let's make product manipulation. Make a shape with blue and change background color to light color. Make a square with dark blue and change its shape with distort. Now make its both sides with pen tool. Clip new layer and brush with light color to give shade. Do the same with other sides with dark shades. Make group of all layers and copy the group and make its opacity low. Make copy of first shape, make it black and apply blur effect on it. Now make a cut square shape and adjust it. Take pen, make the inner shape of square with 2 shades. Make group of square layers, then make copy of it and paste on other side. Clip layer on square and brush with dark shade. Do the same with the other square. Bring product and adjust it, then take new layer and brush with black to give shadow. Make copy of product and clip with display with low opacity. Make another copy of product and place under shadow layer with low opacity. Now make copy of both square and place under shadow layer with low opacity. Take mask on both square group and remove some parts. Now make a shape in black, clip it with display with blur effect and low opacity. Clip new layer on display and brush with white to give light effect. Clip new layer on sides of display and brush with black too. Give shade effect. Thank you for watching.